In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split a page in half on Canva. By the end, you'll be able to create a clean, precise split so your designs look balanced and professional. First, let's make sure you can see the tools that help with alignment. In your design, go to File, then Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. If you prefer shortcuts, press Shift+R. You'll see rulers appear along the top and left edges of your canvas. These rulers are your starting point for creating guides, which are non-printing helper lines that make alignment effortless. Now, let's add guides. Move your cursor to the top ruler, click, and drag down onto the canvas to create a horizontal guide. Do the same from the left ruler to create a vertical guide. You can create as many guides as you like, but for a simple split, one vertical and one horizontal is all you need. If a guide lands in the wrong spot, just drag it again to reposition it. Next, center those guides. Click the vertical guide and drag it toward the middle of your page until you see the pink snap indicator appear. That snap tells you the guide is perfectly centered left to right. Repeat the same move with your horizontal guide, dragging it to the middle until it snaps in place. When both are centered, you've marked the exact halfway points across and down, creating 4 equal quadrants. This works on any document size, from social posts to flyers and presentations. With the guides in place, start positioning your design elements. Think of your page as 4 clear zones. Place text, photos, or shapes, so they align neatly with the center guide if you want a left-right split. Or use both guides if you are building a symmetric grid. As you move items, Canva's smart snapping will help them align to the guides and to each other. For extra precision, zoom in while positioning and consider duplicating elements, so sizes match from one side to the other. If something looks slightly off, nudge it with your arrow keys to fine-tune. That's it, thanks for watching.